Hi, I'm Ed. Today we are going to paint a sunset. It's really easy, just follow me. Let's get started. Right, sunset's easy peasy. This sunset could be anywhere. This is actually quite a famous painting. It's Westminster Abbey, so obviously looking west. We're going to break it up into a few sections. We're using acrylic paint. Anything water-based is fine. We just need a couple of blues, purple, red, yellow and white, that's it. You just go kind of primary colours. You can make your own purple with red and blue, so you really only need 4 colours. Let's get started. We just need to find the middle of the canvas. You don't have to use a canvas. You can use a piece of painted board, or we're doing this thing with sort of minimal costs. Let's find the middle. We need a little bit of white paint, a little bit of blue paint, a little bit of purple, but it's predominantly white. The middle is here, so just do little dots, mottled in. So if you can see them, just put some white on top. And if you can't, if you can still see them, which you can, just use fingers. Doesn't matter if you get dirty, it's fine. As soon as you get to a point where you can't see any brush strokes, we need a little bit of water, mix it in with the yellow, get a little bit of red, so we're getting like a nice sort of orangey colour. And we're just basically filling in the whole of this bottom bit with a nice orange. So we're basically filling in the whole of this half here in a lovely orange. I'm going to run out of red. Don't forget to paint on the bottom of it, underneath here. Take it off your easel if you need to. That's all right. There we go. Okay, we're good. So now, what we need to do is we almost need to do exactly the same again, but we need to remember where our horizon is, and we need to remember where the sun is. So we're just going to go again with yellow and red, bit of water, and remembering the sun. Doesn't matter if it drops down, that's cool, but remember the sun's there. All right. Water is good. We don't want to see where this blue, we don't want to see a sort of obvious change. It's got to sort of just blend in. It's got to sort of tonally blend in. The one problem that you could get is that it goes greeny. As soon as it goes greeny, it means you've got blue and yellow on your brush. So just stop, let it dry, clean your brush, and just go straight on top with yellow, and it'll be fine. There's your horizon there, and it's really straight. So, okay, there's some buildings. They're literally done. When you're happy, just sign it. Rough. We're done. We've done it. One sunset. Was it 10 minutes? Don't know. Well done, everybody. We painted a sunset. I did it as quick as I could. I don't know how long it took you, but hoping that you enjoyed it. And yeah, we'll see you at the next one.